The Veeam Certified Engineer 2021 VMCE2021 exam is a certification exam that validates your knowledge and skills in installing, configuring and managing Veeam Availability Suite. The exam covers topics such as backup and replication, data protection, disaster recovery, scalability and security. The benefits of passing the VMCE 2021 exam include gaining a competitive edge in the IT market, enhancing your career opportunities and demonstrating your expertise in Veeam solutions. 1. An administrator has decided to set up a Veeam backup job covering their Microsoft SOL servers. What feature must be enabled to ensure quiescence of the SQL databases during the backup? A. Enable Microsoft SQL Server plugin. B. Enable application-aware processing. C. Enable Microsoft Windows OS processing. D. Enable Microsoft SQL Server Agent on the VMs. 2. In the war against ransomware, a company decided to implement tape backup for the first time. The tape library has already been added. Of the following, what must be done first? A. Create vaults. B. Create media pools. C. Create libraries. D. Create media sets. 3. A Windows VM running on Microsoft Hyper-V is protected using the file indexing option. The guest interaction proxy is offline. Which of the following Veeam servers will be used to deploy the runtime during the backup process? A. Backup and Replication Server. B. Indexing Database Server. C. File Proxy Server. D. Virtual Lab Server. 4. What is necessary prior to configuring replica mapping? A. A Veeam backup in the production site. B. A Veeam replica in the disaster recovery site. C. A Veeam backup in the disaster recovery site. D. A Veeam replica in the production site. 5. A file on a Windows VM hosted on vSphere is corrupted and must be restored. VMware tools are installed and up to date on the VM. For some reason, the Veeam mount server cannot connect to the VM through the network. Which of the following restore methods provides the fastest restore, RTO? A. Run Veeam File Restore Wizard and let it restore through VIX. B. Start an instant VM recovery session and log on into the restored image to copy, paste the file to restore. C. It is impossible to restore the file on the VM if the mount server cannot reach it through the network. D. Run Veeam File Restore Wizard and use the copy to download the file locally in a shared folder. 6. Veeam Agent for Linux has been installed in standalone mode on a Linux physical server. The backup job is configured to write to a Veeam repository. Which of the following media types is available as a recovery media? A. ISO image. B. Veeam backup and replication repository. C. Object storage. D. Tape. 7. After performing a failover to a disaster recovery site, it is decided that the VMs need to be failed back to the original production site and that any changes made during the failover should be discarded. Which option should be used? A. Undo failover. B. Undo failback. C. Failback. D. Commit failback. 8. A Veeam administrator is concerned about keeping backups on site and has traditionally used tapes to store backups older than 30 days in order to free up space on their backup repository for longer-term storage. The company is currently using scale-out backup repositories. What option would satisfy the requirement? A. Copy to capacity tier. B. Move to capacity tier. C. Backup to object storage. D. File copy job. 9. An administrator accidentally deleted a database. Veeam Explorer for Oracle will be used to restore it back. What is the fastest option to get the database online again? A. Use the Compare with Production option to restore only the missing objects back to the Oracle database. B. Use the Point in Time option to specify the point in time you want to restore the Oracle database to. C. Use the Quick Rollback option to perform a restore of the changed blocks of the Oracle database file. D. Use the Instant Recovery option and restore it in the background. 10. A critical server in a Hyper-V environment has crashed and will not reboot. What is the fastest way to bring this server back online so employees can continue to work? A. Instant VM disk recovery. B. Entire VM restore. C. Instant VM recovery. D. Staged restore.